Hey, this is Michael from Viral Home-Based Pursuit. In this video, I'm going to show you the ENTRE Institute bonus from Jeff Lerner himself. And get this, I'm also going to give you my own bonuses on top of that. If you're not too sure about what ENTRE is, I made another video for that. I won't go into that in this one, so I'll link to it in the description. But it's basically this amazing program, this course that you can become a part of, where you're going to learn how to build a wildly profitable online business in digital marketing and how to do this the best way possible with Jeff Lerner's blueprint. Okay, so I won't go into the details on that. That's for the other video, but I will go into the bonuses right now through the share screen. So this is everything packaged as a whole when you're going to get the ENTRE blueprint, everything a part of ENTRE Institute, as you can see right there, but without going into the specifics on that. So this is a 673 bundle, yours free right now, okay? So this is limited time only. Who knows if he's going to raise the cost on it, but it is, I believe, right now at $39 to get in. I think at a time it was like $7. Probably could go back or not, but at $39, it's a heck of a deal, especially with what you're going to be getting here. So everything that you're going to be getting from him is 80% off the entire blueprint training. This will break down step by step how to transform your personally, physically, and professionally. $199 value. Free bonus number one, a one-on-one bonus business advisor. They will walk you through the training and help create a game plan that's right for you. That's a $299 value. The amazing thing about his program, Jeff's program, is he has a dedicated team of coaches and people that are going to be there all the time to help and push you. Like, they're going to be able to figure out what works best for you and develop the plan around that. And they're going to be always there to provide help and all the value they can. Okay, so free bonus number two is the Awesome Life Challenge. This includes daily lessons that will help you improve all aspects of your life. That's $199 value. Free bonus number three, the ENTRE Nation Community. This is going to provide you with all the support you need on your journey to success. That's $175 value. And then 30-day keep it all money back guarantee. So they're actually confident that this training will change your life. And it is really life-changing once you go through it. That if you're not satisfied with it within the 30 days, they'll refund your money and let you keep the $673 worth of bonuses for free as their gift to you. Now, not only will you get that from Jeff, but here's what you're going to get from myself. So bonus number one is going to be my full hard work that I put into my full affiliate marketing for Entrepreneurs Academy, $2,997 plus value. So Jeff will show you what affiliate marketing is in his stuff, along with other businesses and other things in there, but I'm also going to take it into that place. I'm going to take it levels high, where I'm going to show you how to build a wildly profitable blog, channel on YouTube, how to do lead generation, how to get traffic, how to set up, how to be an authority in your space, plus a lot more. There's so much in that course that I've developed over the many years of doing this that you'll be able to get. As it says there, there's like copy, funnels, websites, email, and so much more. Like, I started in the health and wellness space years ago, and I was able to develop an authority and move on into another stream. And so I'll show you everything within that. So bonus number two, 180 done for you emails by a professional copywriter. That's a $6,097 value. Now, these are legit done by a copywriter, so you don't have to spend time trying to figure out how to come up with your own emails. And if you want to use this for anything you want, you can go ahead and do that. These have helped me out so much. It's going to help you out in your journey too. So bonus number three, viral SEO secret hacks, $397 value. That's my SEO course that I've developed that you're going to be able to get for free. You don't have to pay for that. And search engine optimization, that's where I began everything. And so I'll show you how to get your sites ready, YouTube, Pinterest, stuff like that. And it's very nicely put together. Bonus number 4, Facebook Accelerator course for $297 value. You don't have to worry about how to maximize your engagement on Facebook because of my video training. I'm going to help you with that, as well as organic and paid stuff in there. So bonus number 5, free access to my private Facebook group with one-on-one coaching, $127 plus value bonus. I have a group of like-minded individuals who are trying to grow, who have grown, and we're always in there helping one another out, one-on-ones, Zooms, Facebook, and so much more that I can be there to help you with, as well as they will. So that's about a $9,887 total. Yours completely free when we stack everything together. So that's what you're going to be getting. Plus, I always add more bonuses on top. So what you're seeing here from myself, I'm going to give you more. I want to make sure I over deliver for you. So you're not just getting Jeff's, but you're getting mine on top of that. It's going to really expedite the process much, much faster. And so you can see all these different avenues that are out there as well. All right, so that's everything from here. I'll leave the link to ENTRE so you can go ahead and check it out down below. Go ahead and get in there and see how you can copy this millionaire. Jeff, copy what he does literally, and how you can build a successful business doing this. I'll leave the link down below for this. You can go ahead and watch that video from him. It's really amazing. All right. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, do leave me one. But yeah, that's it. Check out the description for that video. Thanks.